Okay, so I'm gonna take some shortening here and I'm gonna brush it on the PVC pipe. That's what's gonna make the fondant stick to that. A little bit on the bottom. And then I'm just gonna take a piece. Make sure you knead it up a little bit first. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around the pole. I'm gonna hold on to the pole there a little bit, wrap it around like this, all the way to the back.
Did you buy the fondant or did you make it?
I buy my fondant, Satin Ice is what I use.
Okay.
So I actually mixed the green Satin Ice with some yellow Satin Ice
Great.
because I didn't want to get my hands dirty.
Oh, we can't have that.
No,
we can't have that.
I don't get my hands dirty. I'm just kidding. You see my videos.
That's true.
Yeah, you got to get down and dirty in the cake world,
Sometimes,
huh? Yeah, got to have fun.
Don't be
Okay,
scared.
so what I'm doing is I'm basically now smoothing it out by just kind of sliding the fondant up. I want it to be a little bit thicker here at the lower portion and then come up. So if you just very lightly go like this, I'm just kind of smoothing that out a little bit. Then I want to trim the top, leaving a little bit so that I can put the boards over it and it won't push all that fondant down. Okay, so that will work there.
A quick question was, is the foam core food safe or does it need to be?
The foam core, it isn't really, I mean, technically food safe. You can put a piece of, you can cover it in foil if you want to be completely safe, or you can put parchment paper over it. But I would glue it down with the chocolate.
Got it.
Okay. All right, so we're going to make some little toe area, toe marks here, toe marks. And I'm using the knife tool and I'm going to just push in, kind of roll up a little bit. You can also use this to tuck around the edge here if you need to do so. I'm going to use a little bit of white fondant, roll it into a ball, then put your finger in the middle and roll, and then just flatten it a little bit. And then I'll cut that in half. And this will be 2 of the toenails. So I'm going to put one here. So you got to have the toenails, right? Right. All right. Okay, any questions while I do the last one here?
Can you repeat the color you
Can I
used?
repeat the whole thing?
You can, yeah, start from the beginning.
Okay, the color green.
Yeah.
For the color green, you can use it 2 different things. You can take white fondant and you can use electric green food color and it will get this color, okay? Or you can use a little bit of green Satin Ice and a lot of yellow Satin Ice and sometimes a little white Satin Ice if you want it lighter, and mix those together for the color, and then your hands don't get messy. Okay?
Excellent.
All right. Okay, what I've got here, I've got some dusting powders. I have a little bit of elf green. What does elf green mean? Yes, it means that a bunch of little elves, I guess, made this luster dust.
Of course.
Oh, one other thing, I want to make some little lines in here,
Yep.
like 3 little wrinkles. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this green and kind of dust it here and there. I've already done the other 3. Just adds a little bit of variation of color. Not sure how well that'll show up on the screen. And then I have an orange shimmer color, and that is also a dusting powder, which is more of a pearl dusting powder. So I'll put those off to the side. We'll be using those flowers later. And then I'm ready to go ahead and basically put the board on. But what I want to do is flip it over this way. And I want to just cover some of this so it looks like his belly's coming down a bit. So what I'm going to do is use a little bit of Rice Krispies. Just a little. I just cut out a circle out of a sheet. You can make your own or you can buy them, either way. And I'm going to glue this on with the chocolate. Okay, so I'll just take a little chocolate here, like so, and pop that on.
Do we need any sound effects for popping it on?
Popping it on. Can we see it? Yeah, you'd be able to see it. Okay. Then what I want to do is take my fondant, and I'm going to use yellow fondant. Most of the shell is going to be the yellows and the oranges, and then we've got the greens. So this is just it's a pastel yellow. And I'm just going to knead that up, flatten it out, roll it out, pop it on, and you're done, right?
Perfect. Wow.
What?
Wow. Okay.
Speed racer, huh?
That's it.
It's like the customer's coming, the customer's coming.
That's right,
Gotta get
they're
it
waiting.
done.
They're in the lobby.
Right? They're in the That's right. Okay, so just keep rolling this out, making sure it's not sticking to the counter. Make sure you get a perfect oval shape like this.
It is perfect.
What do you mean?
I don't know if it's oval, but it's perfect.
Oh, okay.